Hi, Microsoft Sam here. As you all know, I was born on a Windows 2000, but in today's video, I will reveal the truth about my date of birth, as with other computers. For those of you who got fooled into thinking my date of birth is February 17th, 2000, and the fact that I turned 21 2 months ago, my date of birth is actually December 15th, 1999, so, I turned 21 10 days before this past Christmas. I was born just weeks before 2000 started. That makes me 21 either way. If you thought Windows XP was born on October 25th, 2001, it was released to manufacturing on August 24, 2001, meaning it'll turn a full 2 decades old by the end of this coming summer, not this coming fall. If you know Microsoft Anna, she was born on a Windows Vista. You may think her date of birth is January 30th, 2007, when it's actually November 8th, 2006, 11 days before the beginning of the Wii Sports, and all other Wii stuff as we know it. That makes Anna 14 either way. If you thought Windows 8 was born on October 26, 2012, think again, because it was originally born on August 1, 2012. If you thought Windows 8.1 was born on October 17, 2013, good try, because it was released to manufacturing on August 27, 2013. Also, trivia, Windows 8, they tried to make it look like some Apple computer or tablet, and that turned out to not be too well. Let's say Microsoft David, Microsoft Mark, and Microsoft Paul were all born on a Windows 10. You may think July 29, 2015, but they were originally born on July 15, 2015, 2 weeks prior. I decided to not talk about Windows 7 because it was released to manufacturing on July 22, 2009. I'm sure all of us wouldn't have been possible had it not been for my boy Bill Gates, so Bill, kudos to you if you're watching this. Thanks for watching. If there was anything in this video I explained that came as a surprise to you, let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to leave this video a like and subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified when Matt uploads a new video.